been a lot of high schoolers that are getting sort of hands-on experience with our team and our car and our lab, and it's been a great experience for them and us as well.
I think it's really neat for this program to expose us to different careers and different things in the engineering field. So this will help me decide.
We had a really fun activity where we got to manage what it would be like for the making and processes and shipping of products through engineering.
Well, I was always interested in engineering, just the mindset of it, I guess, visualizing things before making it, and just the process of building and understanding it. It always made sense to me.
We're new to the area, so we're new to UTC as a whole. So this is a learning experience for us too. I had no idea what they had to offer, and it's impressive.
These kids have really been like, wow, that's cool, I didn't expect that to happen. It's been interesting to see them kind of go, wow, I could do that.